In this video, I'm going to show you how to make meal prep burritos. These are beef and rice burritos with some black beans, and they are high in protein, high in fiber, nutritionally balanced, and super delicious. So let's get started.
Start by cooking the rice. You can use the Instant Pot or rice cooker or use the stovetop method. And then we're going to pan fry our ground beef until it's desaturated in color. Add all of our spices, garlic, mix it through, then our salsa goes in. Then we're going to add black beans, a little bit of barbecue sauce, mix it through with cooked rice, and we are ready to roll the burritos. Make sure to use large, soft tortilla wraps, and you can use wheat tortilla wraps or low-carb, high-protein wraps, whichever you like.
Oh, look at these babies. I think it's like 12, 13 burritos. The next step will be to wrap them up and get them ready for the freezer. But you can also pan fry them, air fry them, oven bake them until the cheese is melted and they are golden and crispy.
The best thing to do is to wrap the burritos in some Glad wrap, but then also to wrap them in foil, as this will prevent any freezer burn you can get. I actually then put them in plastic bags before I freeze them. After freezing, unwrap the burritos and you can either defrost it in the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes, or you can do it overnight in the fridge. Then, when it's sort of partially defrosted, you can air fry it, pan fry it, or bake it until it's golden and crispy and that cheese is lovely and gooey on the inside. I hope you enjoy this recipe. You can find more details on the blog.
That's a good burrito.